everybody, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. My name is Nicole and I'm a part-time reseller on eBay and Poshmark, and today I have a bin store haul for you guys. So it is not a Goodwill bin store haul. This is actually a St. Vincent bin store haul from a recent bin store that I stopped at. I live approximately an hour and 40 minutes away from the closest bin store, and I happened to drive to Madison, Wisconsin a few days ago, and I was able to go to a bin store. I haven't been to a bin store for probably about 5 years. It's been a very long time. There's none in my area, and I haven't been traveling, so I haven't came across any. But I was able to go. I actually went with my cousin, and she didn't find very much, but she's not a reseller. But I found quite a few pretty awesome things that I'm really excited to show you guys. So let's get right into this haul. I did spend $40. It was like around 40. I think it was like 40 or 41. It was pretty cheap. And I think I got 35 pounds of stuff. So that's pretty cheap. I'm not sure how many items I actually got all together, but basically it's just a little over. It was $125 a pound, so I got a lot of good stuff. At least I think it's good for my area too. I found this jacket, and I don't know if it is authentic. It does look authentic to me, but it's C by Chloe. I was really surprised. I know that some of her stuff is very expensive. Seems to be in good condition. The tags do seem, I mean, they seem good, but I have to do some research because I really don't know much about this brand. So, but I was excited to find that. I really don't think they were much for resellers because I found certain things here and there that I was like, oh wow, I wouldn't surprise a reseller would have picked it up. I don't think there was really resellers there. This is actually a Wild Fox sweatshirt, and you can see it's kind of worn out there. There are some stains on it, so I'm actually going to be dyeing this and probably tie-dyeing it and see if I can bring some life back to it. I found both these sweaters next to each other, which was awesome. They're both made well, and they're just like a rib knit with pockets. That one is a mustard yellow, and this one's like a corally color. I actually think that I have this one in my inventory right now. I found this. I think I'm gonna keep it for myself. It's just ASOS, and I wouldn't necessarily pick up ASOS to resell, but it's just a cute ribbed cardigan, so I did pick it up. Now this I'm pretty sure has been put in the washer or dryer, but I still think it's probably pretty close to an extra small. It's All Saints. It's a wool sweater. I'm gonna try it on and see if it fits me because I think it's cute. This is, I think it's New Balance. Yeah, a New Balance like cobalt blue zip up hoodie. I was really surprised in some of the stuff. This is wearing off on the back, so I will have to put that. I don't think I'll make much on that, but these are a pair of Fabletics black leggings. So these still have the tag, which is awesome. They're size large, and they're power hold, so I'm not familiar with that style, but I will definitely be looking it up. I found these, which was pretty cool. They are a pair of Cora True Religion jeans. And so that was kind of exciting that I found those. I don't know if I've ever, I think I bought one pair of True Religion jeans. They didn't sell. So those are cheap though, so I picked them up. Okay, this does not have a brand that I would say Lucky and Coco. That doesn't mean anything to me. It is almost like it's like a tunic, but it's, what do you call it? Almost like a muumuu, or what do they call it? Almost kimono-ish, but it's not. I picked it up just because it was pretty lightweight. I would say it was probably like 5 to 6 ounces, so that's pretty cheap, 50 cents maybe. This is a Calvin Klein sweatshirt. And I do have to kind of look over everything a little bit better. Too, just because my cousin and I were there, and it was getting late. We've been there for a couple hours, and we're like, oh, we gotta go. It was actually really nice. I'd never been to this place before, and people were very friendly. They were very nice. There was no weird rules, like only letting so many people in at a time, stuff like that. They didn't have anything like that going on. It was a really good experience. I know some people are scared when they go to bins, and I didn't know how that bins would be. The bins are just out. They don't bring out new bins during it. There's no rotation as far as I could tell. I didn't see anyone ever bring out any new bins. So I think that kind of helped with people not feeling like they were like, I gotta get to that bin, you know. This is just a vintage Talbot's dress, but it just reminded me very prairie cottage Corey, so I picked that up. I got this just because it was interesting. It is just Fashion Nova, which I don't pick up a ton of Fashion Nova, but it's like this cropped, ribbed, lace up bell sleeve sweater. This is really nice. This is actually a 1X LL Bean fleece zip up. Thought that was really nice. I found this. This is a vintage bathing suit, and I pick up vintage suits a lot. It's like a really cool iridescent, which I would say is very 2000s. This is Denim and Supply, Ralph Lauren. Just kind of like a very lightweight top. I was surprised to find these, and they're white, and they seem to be in really good condition. These are soft surroundings. They are extra large. They're white pants, and then they have like these cute little buttons and stuff. I was really surprised to find in such good condition. Here's another vintage like cottagecore type dress. My cousin found this. This is a cool like Y2K, I would say Hard Rock Cafe, London, almost like a cropped. It just needs to be de-haired, but cropped top. This was awesome to find. My cousin was like, no! She was sad she didn't find it. I didn't look through it super great, but this is a Free People. It's a suede dress. It's like a vest dress thing. Zips, no, it doesn't zip. It just zips in the back. Let me check and see what the material of this is. It's cow suede, so it's a size extra small. Very unusual tag for Free People. I've never seen that. So it's possible this is, maybe this was a sample piece. I'll have to look and see. But yeah, it looks authentic in any other way, but I thought that was really cool. Okay, this, I have never heard of this brand. I picked it up purely for style. If you've heard of it, let me know. It's called New Revival. It might just be a boutique brand, but it's kind of like this cropped sweater, mock neck sweater. These I have to see if I can clean because there is an issue on one of the pants, but these are a pair of Eileen Fisher pants. They do have these, this mark on the back. So I have to see if I can't get that out. That's okay. I mean, that's the way it is. This was a shock. I was looking through a bin that had probably been looked over 1,000 times, and I come across a St. John. I'm like, is there any more? But I didn't see any more. Yeah, that's awesome. I don't think I'll get a lot for this tank top, but I can definitely tell it feels silk. So, yep, silk. 95% silk and then 5% spandex. So that was super awesome. This is designer. So, I found a few things I was just like, wow. My cousin found me this. It's Modcloth. I'm not a huge on Modcloth, but some people really like it, so I picked that up. I was really surprised by some of the stuff I came across, honestly. I was actually very surprised and excited. You know, I'm excited to, you know, find this stuff. So, ironically, I'm actually trying to get rid of inventory, and I keep buying stuff. But probably gonna be moving, so I need to start dwindling down my stuff. So this is Victoria's Secret pink. The back says pink. This is actually in really excellent condition. I was really surprised. I mean, it almost looks like it's never even been washed. I picked this up because of style. This is just Ann Taylor, but I just thought it was really, really classy and nice, so I picked it up for so cheap, you know. This is Boston Proper top, tie-dye top. I thought this would be really cute, like tucked in. I thought it was really pretty, so I'm definitely keeping that for myself. Some things had tags on them, like they came from the store, but most of the stuff looked like they must have been raw donations because they did not have tags on them. So I was kind of surprised about that. This is a pair of Fabletics white leggings. I have to look over them good to make sure they're not stained, but they don't seem to be. But yeah, I got a few Fabletics items, so that was kind of cool. This is a really cute little tank. It is by Out From Under by Urban Outfitters. It's just like this super tiny little crop top. You know, I don't think I'll really get much for it. It actually looks like maybe it was cut. I don't know. Maybe it was cut. I don't know. It's probably 20 cents, so I'm not too worried. This is a Cabbie sweater. I don't pick up all Cabbie, but it was there, and I am part of a couple Cabbie Resell Facebooks. These are Mizuno, I think it's called. I believe it's a biking brand, and they're a pair of leggings, so they were really cheap. So I thought I would pick them up. I think they're gotta be, it says they're small. They're pretty small, but they're biking leggings, so that's why I picked them up. This is a Kalia by Carrie Underwood tank top, which was cool. I know that that's her sign, so I knew it when I saw it. Other people probably didn't know, but this is just a vintage bikini top. I don't know why I got it. I'm a sucker for vintage. This is a Victoria's Secret bra. The back I didn't realize, but it's kind of like cracking. So I don't know if I'll be able to sell this or not, but I'll try. If not, I can probably keep it for myself. Okay, this is a dress, and I don't know this brand, but I picked it up because it was new with tags. It's Walter Baker. I don't know who that is. But the tags are new, and they say $118 retail price, so I was like, I'll pick it up. It's super cheap, kind of like a corset. Reminds me of a corset top. This is a size large Jade Jill. I would guess it's like a mini dress, and I got it because it's a size large. I don't pick up all Jade Jill, but I don't know how these got in here. These are little kids shorts. Little girly kids shorts. Yeah, garbage. This is kind of reminds me, in the beginning, this bag is kind of from the stuff I found in the beginning. In the beginning, I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna find anything. I found this. This reminds me of like a Y2K. I saw a lot of Y2K stuff, so I picked it up, but a really thin Y2K sheer top. This is a men's Climacool. You know, I realized, I think it's men's. Only thing is there's no size on it. I would say it's a small. It's Adidas, men's. I don't pick up much men's. This is a Victoria's Secret bra. Let's see, 32D. And I picked it up kind of more because it's got like cool design and stuff. So, well, I picked up some bags. So they had a bin with bags. Well, this thing be cleaned. Gross. I didn't look in the inside. I don't know what this brand is. Probably nothing. But I kind of picked up this bag to practice leather painting on. I don't know if this is real leather. I mean, I would assume it's not, but it kind of feels like it is. But to do like a pretty flower or something design on it, it's just kind of like a project. So they had a whole bin with purses, and that was part of the pay by the pound. So I picked it up, and I found a few pieces that I thought were pretty awesome. I found this bag, which I don't know. I didn't see a brand. But I thought it was pretty. Like, it's a cute backpack. It's a backpack, and it's got this cute strap so you can wear it as a backpack that way. And I just thought it was very pretty, like a really nice bag. I'll have to look through make sure there's no money in any of these bags before I sell them. But I really just picked it up because it was in really excellent condition. It only has like one little wear mark there, and it's a cute design, like the way it's designed. These are a pair of pants. They're a pair of Nikes joggers. Kind of short. I'll probably keep those for myself. This is a really nice leather bag, and I couldn't believe that some of these bags were still there. I was like, these are leather bags. This is a really nice leather Fossil bag. You can see Fossil. My nails are terrible. It's Fossil. You can kind of see inside. It's Fossil. I don't know. It might be an older, like a vintage maybe, but I just thought it was really nice. It's a nice shoulder bag, and it's Fossil. So for that price, I really couldn't pass it up. Okay, this is also really nice. This is a leather, Victoria leather. That's all it says. But it's a leather backpack. Reminds me of like the 2000s, so I would definitely put like Y2K probably in the listing. And it's leather. I haven't looked up this brand, but I will. It's like buttery soft leather. I couldn't believe all these bags were still there. I got this. This is like an iridescent it's like a crossbody. It's just Collection New York. Nothing spectacular about that. But what's cool about this is that it's iridescent. It's definitely Y2K, so I'm going to put that in the listing. I mean, I'm not going to get a lot for some of these bags, but this is 9 & Company. The reason I got it is because it's woven. And some people really like these. They're kind of like the sack bags. But it's just 9 & Company. It's an older one, so I'd say kind of like Y2K-ish. But overall, it's in excellent condition. And then the last item I got was this Lucky Brand leather purse. It's a crossbody. It does have some issues. I would say there's some scratching and staining, but it kind of goes along with it. Like, I probably can I have leather cleaner, so I could probably get some leather cleaner and spice it up a little bit. It does say Lucky Brand here, but I just thought for the price, $1.25 a pound, this might be a pound, might have been $1.25. I did really good. I thought I got a lot of pieces. I mean, I have to say I probably have over 40 pieces, but I'm not for sure, but probably. I have to count everything, which is pretty amazing. That's just like $1 per item. So that's pretty incredible. You can't really do that hardly ever. So yeah, that's everything I got. And I'm excited to go there again sometime. Like I said, I'm probably going to be moving. We're probably going to be selling our house. So I'm not sure where I'm sorry, my inventory. It just kind of depends on what's out there. But I'm still trying to sell and buy, and I'm not planning on stopping reselling anytime soon, but I might go to a smaller scale maybe. I guess we'll see what happens. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me for this video today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more content from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.